Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to unarchive all chats on WhatsApp on an Android device. Go to your phone menu, find WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure you are on the Chats tab. As you can see, we have plenty of archived chats. To unarchive all these chats at once, go back to your chat screen. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Tap on Chats. This will open your chat settings page. Tap on Chat History. Tap on Unarchive All Chats. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to your chat screen. As you can see, all the chats are now unarchived. This is how you can unarchive all chats on WhatsApp on an Android device.